Natural light has a powerful impact on how a home looks, feels, and functions. In Sterling Heights, where residents experience everything from bright summer days to overcast winter afternoons, maximizing natural light can make a significant difference in year-round comfort. One of the most effective and visually appealing ways to enhance daylight inside your home is by installing bay windows. Bay windows are more than just a design feature. They are a smart investment in comfort, energy efficiency, and overall home value. Here's how they transform natural light in Sterling Heights residences and why so many homeowners are making the upgrade. Expanding light from multiple angles. Unlike traditional flat windows, bay windows extend outward from the exterior wall, typically consisting of a large central window flanked by two angled side windows. This unique design allows sunlight to enter your home from multiple directions throughout the day. In Sterling Heights neighborhoods where homes are often positioned close together, this multi-angle exposure can significantly increase the amount of natural light that reaches interior spaces. Even if your home doesn't face direct sunlight for the entire day, the angled panels can capture side light that standard windows would miss. The result is a brighter, more inviting living room, dining area, or bedroom, without relying as heavily on artificial lighting. Making rooms feel larger and more open. Natural light does more than illuminate a space. It changes how the space feels. Dark rooms can feel smaller and more confined, especially during Michigan's shorter winter days. Bay windows expand both light and visual depth. Because they project outward, bay windows create a sense of added square footage. The extended glass area allows sunlight to reach deeper into the room, reducing shadows and brightening corners. Homeowners often notice that their space feels more open, airy, and welcoming after installation. In many Sterling Heights homes with traditional layouts, adding a bay window can completely transform the atmosphere of a front living room or breakfast nook. Enhancing seasonal comfort. Sterling Heights residents experience all 4 seasons, which makes smart window design especially important. Bay windows can help optimize natural light in winter, when homeowners crave warmth and brightness the most. On sunny winter days, strategically placed bay windows allow more sunlight to enter, contributing to passive solar warmth. This can help reduce the chill near window areas and improve overall comfort. During summer, modern energy-efficient glass options help control heat gain while still maintaining excellent light transmission. By pairing bay windows with high-performance glazing, homeowners can enjoy abundant light without sacrificing energy efficiency. Creating functional light-filled spaces. One of the most loved features of bay windows is the additional interior ledge or alcove they create. This area can become a cozy reading nook, a window seat, a display area for plants, or even extra storage. For homeowners who work remotely or enjoy hobbies that require good lighting, this naturally illuminated space is especially valuable. Instead of placing a desk or chair under harsh overhead lighting, you can take advantage of soft, natural daylight that reduces eye strain and enhances mood. Plants also thrive in bay window spaces, making it easier to bring greenery indoors, something that can be particularly refreshing during colder months. Boosting curb appeal while brightening interiors. Improving natural light doesn't have to mean sacrificing exterior aesthetics. In fact, bay windows often enhance a home's architectural character. They add dimension, depth, and visual interest to the facade, helping Sterling Heights residences stand out in the neighborhood. From the inside, homeowners enjoy panoramic views of their yard or street. From the outside, the home gains a more upscale and customized appearance. This combination of improved lighting and enhanced curb appeal can also positively impact resale value. A smart upgrade for long-term comfort. For many Sterling Heights homeowners, the goal isn't just to brighten a room, it's to create a more comfortable and enjoyable living environment. Bay windows deliver on both fronts. They increase natural light, improve the sense of space, enhance seasonal comfort, and add beauty to both the interior and exterior of the home. If you're looking for a way to transform your living space without a full renovation, installing bay windows offers a practical and visually stunning solution. With the right design and professional installation, you can enjoy brighter days inside your home all year long.